Hello. In this video, I will answer the 11 most frequently asked questions about Yasmin birth control pills. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel. 1. What is Yasmin and how does it work? Yasmin is a combined oral contraceptive containing the hormones estrogen, ethinylestradiol, and progesterone, drospirenone. Its primary effects include preventing ovulation, thickening cervical mucus to make it harder for sperm to reach the uterus, and altering the uterine lining to make it unsuitable for pregnancy. 2. How should I take Yasmin? Take 1 tablet every day at the same time, following the day order on the blister pack. Continue for 21 days, then take a 7-day break. During this break, you may experience withdrawal bleeding similar to a period. Start the next blister pack on the 8th day without delay. What should first-time Yasmin users do? If you're starting birth control pills for the first time, begin Yasmin on the first day of your period for immediate protection. If you start between days 2 to 5 of your period, use an additional contraceptive method like condoms for the first 7 days. 4. What are the potential side effects of Yasmin? Yasmin's side effects are generally mild and well tolerated. The most common ones include headache, breast tenderness, mood changes, nausea. Serious side effects are rare but may involve blood clots. If you notice leg pain, shortness of breath, or vision loss, seek medical attention immediately. 5. Does Yasmin cause weight gain? Yasmin may cause water retention in some individuals, which can appear as temporary weight gain. However, there's no strong scientific evidence that hormonal birth control pills directly affect weight. 6. Is it risky to take a break from Yasmin? Stopping the pill quickly restores fertility, which increases the risk of pregnancy if you're not using other contraceptives. You might also experience irregular periods. Consult your doctor if you plan to take a break. 7. What should I do if I forget to take Yasmin? If less than 12 hours have passed, take the missed pill immediately and continue as usual. If more than 12 hours have passed, take the missed pill as soon as possible and use additional contraceptive methods like condoms for the next 7 days. 8. How does Yasmin affect the menstrual cycle? Yasmin helps regulate the menstrual cycle and typically reduces the amount of bleeding. This can benefit people who experience heavy periods. 9. Can breastfeeding mothers take Yasmin? Breastfeeding mothers should avoid Yasmin, as its estrogen content can reduce milk production. Instead, consider progestin-only pills, mini-pills. 10. Does Yasmin interact with other medications? Yes, some medications can reduce Yasmin's effectiveness. These include antibiotics, epilepsy medications, and the herbal supplement St. John's wort. Consult your doctor if you're taking any medications. 11. Who should not use Yasmin? Yasmin is unsuitable for individuals with blood clot disorders, uncontrolled high blood pressure, certain types of migraines, liver disease, or suspected pregnancy. Consult your doctor to determine if Yasmin is right for you.